now we are styling this button, and this. So I will color it in background. So I will use BG and color it yellow. So this color yellow, but the name is not look good, so I will also color the name from FG foreground, that is red. You can use the color which you want. And I will use relief. Relief, sorry, relief is used for styling. There are some styling that I will show you, like flat. This will flat this. Now it seems flat. You see it? You see it? It is flat. And you can use sunken. So it seems like this, that it's already clicked like this, and many more. So I will show you raised, like this, and one more, two more, groove. So I will type in small letters, so this is wrong. We type always relief styling in capital, like this. Now this is groove styling, and this is the last ones but not least, raised. This look like this. This is the styling, so I will use here sun can. And now we are using fonts. Fonts is also like font is used like that are also used as styling, but from different way. Like I will, sorry, comma, font, and first we'll type the styling. There are 3 styling and more, but I will show you 3, only 3. Helvetica, and the size of your font which you want, I will want 15, and bold. So sorry, yeah, this is Helvetica, this is Sunken, Helvetica 15, size of font, and bold. And you can use border, like I will make a border, border is good 10. So this is border, you can see it. The 10 is 2 more, so I will use 5. Helvetica. There is some more like times, sorry, this is times, and one more, Times New Roman, that is common. This look like this. So I will use here Helvetica, and in the last block I will tell you about full use of pack, grid, place, and in that we will discuss about iPad, why iPad X, pad Y, pad X. So I will use here that. So iPad Y is used for inner padding, So I will choose this 5 and iPad X also. Sorry, wait a minute. I will use enter also. Enter. Wait a minute, I will setting up this. So this look good. iPad X is equal to 4. So now, yeah, this look good. This, yeah. So when I run this is inner padding. It increases from y-axis or x-axis, and we can use pad y from this is used for outer. Like I will set this 7, and when I run this, now you can show this. Here is some padding. I will choose this to 20. Now I will run. We will make a beautiful button at the last. Yeah, it seems. So I will choose this 3 with 4, font size 14. Yeah, it seems good. Yeah. Now we will add a command to this button. For that we will use command, and what is your command name? That is hi. So we will define hi from def hi. Sorry, oh my god, where is it? Yeah. So we will import a important function from tkinter. For that, from tkinter import port message box, that is here as msg. Now we will use msg dot. Now you will show like ask, okay, cancel, so on. I will discuss about in the last preview blocks. So I will use here show info. First we will put here the title, that is we said woo, and the message I said you click it. You click it. Yeah, you click it. That's all. When we click the button, it says you click it. Oh, sorry. Yeah. Now it will seem good and good. Now you can see this. You click it. Thank you. That's all.